Welcome to Empowerment, Equity, and Accountability, ABC's signature conference. Empowerment, Equity, and Accountability, the journey ahead. Our theme is an acknowledgement that there is a significant amount of work still to be done in order to achieve equity for all people. Equity is and will be the fruit of economic and social justice. The theme is also an indication of ABC's intent to ongoing collaborative work, which will enable and empower those who have been systemically marginalized for far too long. This is our third virtual conference, and it's a continuation of ABC's social justice work. In 2021, many of you were here, and you will recall that our theme was Racism is a Public Health Crisis, Attacking the Two Pandemics, where we examined the various forms of racism and the disparate impact of COVID-19 on poor communities, particularly those where Black and Brown people live. With America's freshly cleaned equity lenses, a significant amount of government and private funding poured its way into many communities, including Rochester and Monroe County, in an effort to address the two pandemics. Thus, our 2022 theme was Economic Justice for an Inclusive Recovery, where we stress that justice be the key metric when allocating those funds. Now, we're at empowerment, equity, and accountability, the journey ahead. As participants, you should expect ABC to continue our advocacy to advance health equity with a particular focus on maternal health. We will surely be advocating for the reduction and ultimate elimination of all disparities around the various social determinants of health. Closing the racial wealth gap remains a focus, as we're clear that doing so, closing the racial wealth gap, is a primary way to achieve economic justice. And without a doubt, and this will come next week, we surely will address the issue of violence prevention in our community. I want to thank all the sponsors, and we'll do that throughout. All the sponsors who have made this possible. I want to thank our planning team. You'll hear more about them a little later. Our tech team for all the work that they've done to make this conference possible. On behalf of ABC's staff and board, thank you for being here today.